Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Roborock CurvX. If you're interested in the CurvX, the link to it will be in the video description. In our description, you'll also find links to our top picks for robot vacuums, wet dry vacuums, and cordless vacuums, and we keep track of daily vacuum deals for you as well. So make sure to shop that link for the latest deals, discounts, and promo codes. So on our CurvX right here, make sure your unit's powered on so we have solid lights. And we need to pop off this cover, grab a pen, paper clip, sim removal tool, and we have this little reset grommet. We just got to pull that out of the way. That's going to reveal and identify the reset button. So the step's going to be, we're going to hold down the home button for about 3 seconds. Then we're going to press the reset button while we continue to hold down the home button. So the light will eventually go off. We'll keep holding down the home button until the light comes back on. Then we can let go. So let me show you how this is going to work. So hold down the home button for 3 seconds. Press the reset button so the lights went out. Now we're going to keep holding down the home button until the lights start back up. There we go. We can let go.
Restoring factory settings.
And the voice prompt says restoring factory settings. It'll take about 5 minutes, but that's how you're going to do it. So again, hold down the home button for 3 seconds. Just quickly press the reset button. You don't have to hold it down. Just press the reset button while you are holding down the home button still. All of the lights will go off. You'll let go of the reset button, right? You'll keep holding down the home button, and eventually the lights will come back on. It'll start blinking. Then you know you can let go of the home button, and you'll get the voice prompt for the factory reset. So hopefully that makes sense. But again, in summary, 3 seconds holding down the home button. Then you're going to quickly press the reset button while still having your finger on the home button. And you're going to keep holding down the home button until the lights come back on and start blinking. Then you can let go, and you'll get that voice prompt letting you know that's factory resetting and taking 5 minutes. Then after that, you just wait for everything to initialize and set up. It'll just end up booting right back up. So that's it. Simple, straightforward. Eventually, the light will stay solid white for you. You'll hear the startup chime, all of that, just like it's being turned on for the first time. So just wait, let it do its thing, and then you're all set and ready to go with the factory reset. So as long as you heard that factory reset, it'll take about 5 minutes. You're all set and ready to go. Just let it do its thing. So it just stopped flashing. The light is off. And now the light came back on all by itself. Got solid lights for both. And now you're all set and ready to go.